Hello guys, welcome to AKS. Today in this video I am going to do the unboxing and sound test of F&D F313U. So guys, let's do the quick unboxing. This is the manual. It comes with 12 months warranty. These are the speakers. These are the small speakers. This is the woofer. Okay, now about the woofer. There is a branding at the front, the model number. It's a 1200 watt PMPO sound, and this is very energy efficient. Okay, at the top, at the side there is nothing. At the back we are getting the input for the woofer, and at the bottom there is a 3 inches subwoofer of 4 watt RMS, and this is the area for the passing of the air generated by the woofer. Okay, it's good. It's quite small in size. It's very compact. Okay, now about the speakers. These are the 2 inches speakers of 1.5 watt RMS each. So the total output is 3 watt RMS, and the output for the woofer is 4 watt. So the total output is around 7 watt RMS. Okay, about the connection. Okay, we are getting 3 connectors. Okay, this is the 3.5 mm for the input, and this is the USB for the power source, and this white one goes with the woofer, the back. Okay, so guys, I've connected the USB with my power bank at the 3.5 mm with my Mi pad. Let's play some songs, then we will check out what's happening.
Esta noche bailamos, te doy toda mi vida. जुदा हुआ मुझसे खफा खफा यहाँ मेरा खुदा हुआ तू हर लम्हा तू हर लम्हा
So the sound quality of this home theater is very good for us. Actually, it's good for if you are buying for your laptop or mobile phone. Before buying for your mobile phone, you can put it on your power bank, power supply, for the power supply,